How to thread. Method 1. Put the threads on the stand. Pass through the thread rack hole one by one. Pass through the thread tensioner. Lift off tension plate. Pass through tensioner hole. Remove thread tube. Fix the thread to the threading tool. Pass the threading tool through the tube. Pull out the threading tool, take out the thread. Install thread tube. Pass through the presser. Pass through the tension knob. Pass through the thread clamp. Winding the thread inspection wheels. Pass through presser. Press through the protective cover. Raise the spring bar. Pass through the components hole. Restore the spring bar. Take up the thread through the hole. Pass through the components hole. Pass through the needle hole. Pass through the presser foot hole. Fix the thread on the thread clamp. Method 2. Connect the thread. Cut up the excess thread. Put out the knotted thread slowly. Cut up the connection point. Put out the thread. Pass through the needle hole. Pass through the presser foot hole. Fix the thread on the thread clamp.